As you can probably notice, my channel is dead. I haven't been uploading much because I have been focusing on other stuff. Johnny. Well, I usually start things off with some super cringy NCS music intro. So yeah, that's how we gonna kick this cracker of a video off. So I've made this basic Lego minigun, not from any specific game or movie, just a generic minigun that can twist its barrel and somehow count as effort. I mean, this totally took days of hard work and mastering to create, and I totally didn't just put like 20 pieces together and call it quality content for my channel. So it has some cool features like the fact that the barrel can spin, and the detail that went into this thing. It's phenomenal. Well, there's not much to it, just some cool spinny barrel and a spinny barrel and a spinny barrel. It's easy to use. You just need one button to press and then it quote unquote fires. Just kidding, it doesn't. You just got Rickroll. Yeah, I'll stop now. Well, you can't hold much ammo on it, but that's the best we're getting for a 14-year-old with a few Lego Technic sets and the odd subscriber.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I might make a tutorial, but I trust that you can build it from sight. If I reach 1000 subs, I'll post tutorials, but until I start making 2 cents a month, you'll have to trust your eyes.
Guys, it's very important that I get more subscribers and views, so if you loved this video, well, you should anyway. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for great content like this.